What's up guys? So today we're going to be reviewing something out of the ordinary. Actually, we reviewed a lamp earlier on the channel, so nothing's out of the ordinary these days. Anyways, leave your comments. How you guys doing? How's quarantine or the shelter in place treating you guys? It's okay for me.
Oh, rats in the kitchen, just like that delightful movie I taped in the theater.
Anyway, we're going to be reviewing this pack of cards, guys. It's the National cards by Theory 11. I don't know, playing cards have always been a very satisfying item, but Theory 11 is known for making pretty decent playing cards. They've partnered with Bicycle for some of their cards as well. So, this is a brand new Bicycle deck. Oh my gosh, brand new Bicycle deck that I just opened. As you can see, the ad cards are still there. So we're going to try to compare these two decks. Alright, so without further ado, let's crack open the highly anticipated National playing cards, guys. Wow, the box already, rough sort of texture. That is really nice. It says Theory, made in USA. Premium playing cards right there at the bottom. You got a really nice National design here. I believe that is going to be similar to what is on the back of the cards. It's got really nice designs all over the box. Here in Made in the United States, right there on that side. And this side it says National playing cards. So guys, let's go ahead and get out the sharpest knife in the kitchen, guys. Alright guys, this is one of the sharper knives in the kitchen. But basically this is a very, very dangerous procedure, guys. Gosh, which way should I hold the knife? Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look at that, the inside of the cover. Did the sticker wrong, but let's go and take out these cards. Wow. Wow. Okay. So they are sort of similar to Bicycle. The jokers are actually identical, guys, as you can see right here. The card, this is an Ace of Spades. Look, that is very nice. Custom print on the ace right there. All the other prints, tiny, as you can see. You can't really see from that spread, can you? For example, the 7. Or, for example, take a 2, right? Look, the finish is very nice. The king, look at that, guys. Wow. The king, queen, and jack look like so. The ace of hearts looks incredible as well. This is the queen of diamonds, the king of diamonds. I really like these custom prints. And if you want a deck to do magic with, oh my gosh, this is the deck, guys. It is like $10 on Amazon, I think, but it is a very, very good deck. The texture of the size of the cards is similar to Bicycle. Also feeling the cards individually. Bicycle is a lot more slippery, and the fact that they are very smooth right now hopefully means that they'll stay smooth, because I guess one of the challenges with playing cards is that as you use them, they will degrade. Wow, this deck feels very nice in your hands. It just glides over the other cards. I don't know, I'm kind of speechless. I've never reviewed a pack of cards, don't really know what to say, but oh my god, that's the riffle test, because I'm obsessed with riffling cards like that. It's so satisfying. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it maybe was helpful for some of you guys. But see you next time on Boss. See you.